Just got this in for the 2021 Ram truck. It's a bed step. Let's see what it looks like. This is an aftermarket one. It's about 1/3 the price of the factory ones and any other aftermarket ones. I couldn't believe the price of this one. So the reviews were good. It looks really good in the picture. It's definitely heavy. People were saying that, oh God, yeah. Just as strong and stable as the factory one. Oh, this is heavy. Wow. Let's get that off of there. You just use these and then you use the factory bolts that are already there. That's it. Nothing else in there. Wow, look at this thing. Got the kick out over here. Let's see, hopefully it hides well. All right. Well, let's get it installed. Okay, you see those two bolts right there? Those have to come out. Part of the step goes into that keyhole forward of the bolts. And then underneath the wiring harness there's another bolt hole that uses, so it has like 4 points of contact, 3 bolts and the keyhole part. Unfortunately, I can't hold the camera while I'm doing this, and I can't get it up in there. So you'll have to bear with me. Start. Sorry about bumping the camera. tried putting this in without moving this harness, but it was not going to happen easily anyway. So just get it out of the way. And this one too. Tell you to unplug this. I don't know if you really need to. It's pretty well rust proofed, so I'm gonna leave it plugged in and see if I can weasel that thing up in there. Alright, it's hard to get it up over the muffler, but you can see that one part on the top front is now in the key slot. So now I just need to rotate it and line up the bolts and put the bolts in. Okay, now you can see where all the bolts go. Right there. You reuse the two long ones from the factory and you put one new one in on the bottom. And then you make sure that one part is in the keyhole in the front, and you're good. Alright, well there she is, all installed. Barely anything sticks out. Nice. And you just kick it out. I love it. Yep. Looks just like the factory one. Only $130 something. It's very strong. Do it.